Have you ever heard of positive affirmations? They're like tiny seeds of positivity you plant in your mind. Think of them as short, powerful statements that you repeat to yourself over and over. The goal? To reprogram your subconscious mind, the powerful part of your brain that runs in the background. This reprogramming can lead to a more positive mindset and create a change in your thoughts, feelings, and actions. Our subconscious mind is like a powerful autopilot system, directing our thoughts, feelings, and actions even without us consciously realizing it. It's like a vast library of beliefs and patterns we've gathered over time. Positive affirmations work by directly influencing this subconscious mind, introducing new positive messages into that library. By consistently repeating these affirmations, we can start to shift those deep-rooted beliefs and patterns, leading to a more positive outlook and ultimately a change in how we think, feel, and act. Our brains are not static. They're constantly changing and adapting thanks to a process called neuroplasticity. It's like our brains are being sculpted by our experiences. Positive affirmations play a role in this process by stimulating the growth of positive neural pathways in our brains. Think of it like building new roads in our mental landscape. These new pathways, strengthened through repetition of positive affirmations, make it easier for us to think, feel, and act in more positive ways. It's a powerful example of how our thoughts can literally change the structure of our brains. You've probably heard of the placebo effect, where believing in a treatment can lead to real positive results, even if it's not a real medication. Positive affirmations tap into this powerful effect by harnessing the power of belief. When we repeat positive statements, we're essentially training our minds to believe in those messages. This belief, coupled with the repeated exposure to positive thoughts, can lead to real, tangible changes in our behavior, feelings, and even physical health. It's a testament to the extraordinary power of our minds. Ready to start using affirmations? Here are a few key tips to maximize their effectiveness. First, focus on positive language. Avoid negativity and use words that empower you. Next, make repetition your friend. The more you repeat your affirmations, the more they'll sink into your subconscious mind. And finally, visualize the desired outcome. Imagine yourself already achieving your goals and allow that powerful imagery to strengthen your commitment to positive change. Remember, consistency and belief are key to unlocking the full potential of positive affirmations.